Hey everyone, so yesterday I made a video about the factory in Franklin, and today I'm going to be showing you the inside of it, what shops and restaurants they have to offer. So let's just jump right in. So here's the front entrance of the Franklin factory, and there is some history facts out front, and then as you walk in you'll see there's multiple doors. There's construction going on because you're going over new ownership. This is the front foyer. We're going to be going to the left to the Makers Market, and in this Makers Market you'll find lots of personal art space, you'll find boutiques, and you'll find the Find right here. So this is a used clothing store. It's a thrift shop. They got bags, shoes, men's clothing, women's clothing, children's clothing. They got a bunch of different stuff, sweatshirts, jackets. They even have plates, and they have cool decor in the background, and there's lots of local tags there, like that Titans one you can see. And then as we're moving on here, we're going to be walking through that foyer again. And this is the main area where people come. There's Franklin Juice on the left, and then there's Jenny's Ice Cream on the right. And then right behind Franklin Juice Co., there is Made in Tennessee. All these products are going to be made locally here in Tennessee. So this is a great spot if you want to shop local. And then right by that Made in Tennessee shop, there is Mojo's Tacos. So lots of people come here to hang out and have a great amount of seating. You can sit inside, or we can take a trip outside. And this is a great place if you want to have a private party. You can schedule it, and you can have your own party there. They have more than just tacos, and then you'll get your food picked up right there. Then you can self-serve drinks, or you can sit by the bar and have a great time with your friends. And so this is times past and present. That is a local shop for clothing. And then this is $5 Bakery. Here's a pottery class. Lots of families come in here and do some pottery work. Willow Plunge Arts is a photography shop. This is a jewelry shop, Judith Bright. And then Stonebridge Art Gallery is just by Judith Bright. Then we move on to Honest Coffee Roasters. Many people come here to do their work with the great environment, free Wi-Fi, great place to get some work done. And then there's a nice quote for you: "You alone are enough." That's a great fact. And then here is Pinchy's Lobster Co. They have great lobster there. And then there's CR71. So many different shops that I didn't get to go check out today. And then there's Urban Sips and Sweets. They got drinks and nice little candies and treats. This is Amelia's Flowers. They actually, I believe they come out on Saturdays to the farmer's market. This is Blockhouse. Blockhouse, I'm pretty sure, is a hair studio. There's some nice decor as you walk through Franklin, and you can go check out the Liberty Hall. I believe it's closed right now. And then this is a Jameson Theater. So they have lots of productions here. You'll see right now that there's been many throughout the time period. And then as you exit, you'll see this outdoor area. Many buildings you can go walk through. Some are not shopping. A lot of office space is upstairs as well that people rent out. So thank you for watching. I hope that tour helped you out and gives you some ideas of things to do here in Franklin. The factory has lots of options. You can go there any time of day, and you can find something fun to do with your family, with your friends, and whatever you want to do there. I'm sure they have it. So thanks for watching again. I hope to see you on the next video.